Max Verstappen. Max Verstappen.
Same.
Oh no, I'm dead! Oh my god, double! Oh my god!
I'm a healer! I can only...
I'm a healer, get fucking curb stomped!
Finally, oh my god, I can... Go!
I can't help you with that one.
Oh, he used his ultimate, that's why. Oh my god.
They jumping me.
Got him. Happy New Year, everybody! I hope you had a wonderful time during New Year's Eve, as did I. And what you just saw earlier was just a preview of what I have to offer you. Earlier, before the year ended, I hosted an event in a game called Pighting, and it went as well as about you could expect. So,
Explain it to Andrew.
and I hope you enjoyed the absolute fustercluck that it is. Like and subscribe, share, and I love you. Have a good day. Oh, now it's on.
Not the XXMLG.
I'm locking in.
Oh man, what is this map?
What is this? Oh, guys, guys, you're gonna get funky. You're gonna get funky tonight. You get funky.
Well, boombox.
Freaky Bob.
Go.
Oh shoot.
Go. Oh, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it's
What is
get the ball to that side. Get the ball to that side. Get the ball. Come on, get the ball. Get the ball.
Oh my god.
Get the goal. Get the goal. Get the goal. Come on. Get the goal. Get the goal. Come on. No. Come on, get the ball. Push the ball. Push the ball.
Habibi. Boom, Habibi.
Push the ball. Come on. It's outside. Come on. Yeah.
Damn.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Defend the ball. I'm getting fucking tonight.
Feel it.
Oh no, I'm dead.
Get it in. No.
I'm defending.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Messi.
I've killed 2 people already. Push the damn ball. Push the ball.
The girl's like,
Let the hell go. Push the ball. Out of my fucking way. Out of my goddamn way. You piece of shit.
Radical.
Great. Perfect. Oh, dude.
Ronaldo Prime.
Wow, El Striker.
No.
It's raining ball sacks.
No. I won't let it. I'm the best goalie. Come on. Push it. Out of my way. I fucking killed 2 people.
Cody's got shit.
Oh my god. Go, push the ball. Come on, yes.
I don't need them.
They need like 3 more.
President, second ball's at the tower.
Second for the president.
Second ball.
The balls.
Hey, dude, push it. No, fucking town. No.
Oh, you want it?
No. Fuck off.
Damn,
We're
dude,
getting close.
Allah Akbar.
we're getting this final score, no matter what the cost is.
Sorry, yes, sir. Nowhere. Oh,
I'm kind of blind. I'm
I'm the best goalie.
Finally went in. Anyways.
Yes, go in. Go. Shoot.
Yes.
Damn it, dude.
Evan, I don't think this was a fair
Not yet. Move.
Perfect.
I need early goal.
Perfect. It's perfect. Max Verstappen. Max Verstappen. The moment I start learning how to grapple people, Markson, if I see you sniping, I am pulling you towards me and making you read the Bible in Japanese.
I'm gonna hit you with a 401k special.
401k?
Divinity.
Alright,
What the?
What is the team comp?
1,
Oh
go!
my god, I'm looking at your team. You guys got so much mobility.
Oh, 8 for.
Hit one.
War cry!
He's jumping me. They're jumping me.
Oh, this is not a good map for me.
War cry!
Oh, be a sword. Oh, be a sword.
I need medical on me.
It's not a good map for me in
I
general.
don't think we.
Oh, I can't go in. I usually need a buff for this shit. I need a support.
War
I need
cry!
support. I need a support.
They're
They're
all melee.
This isn't about team comp, Red. This is about team
Get
comp.
over here!
You are reading the Bible today!
You had no line of sight, Nick.
I saw you clear as the setting sun,
No,
dude. Oh, someone fucking fell to their death.
I grab it.
Where you running?
They
Where you
jumping
running?
me.
Where you
They
running, bro?
jumping me.
Where you running? Where you running? Get your ass over here. Get your ass over here.
They jumping me. They jumping me.
Oh,
Shit.
get his ass. Get his ass. Get his ass.
They jumping me.
He fell to death.
Here! 2 towers! Always brings towards
Damn, he pulled me. I didn't think he pulled me.
Locked and loaded.
Oh my god.
Have one.
War cry! I'm a ninja.
Damn, dude. Oh my god, my team.
I'm a ninja.
My team. I will avenge you, my team. Oh, I got sniped. Oh, I got... God damn it. I didn't think you had another charge.
War cry! Ooh. That's not good.
Anime.
There he is.
He's slowly
fuck?
stopped. He's slowly stopped.
Okay then. I don't like your tone of voice.
Warp Tour.
Chris behind you.
Counter.
Humiliation.
Counter. I still countered.
War cry!
They jumping me.
War
We're all
cry!
fucking
They
melee.
like you, Mark.
Hiding, running, flying. Allah.
He's fucking dead.
That's 7.
I'm alive.
Wait, hold on. Wait, I got a 7 kill streak. Wait a minute. Oh, I.
That's it. Allahu Akbar, mashallah.
He's dead.
Oh wait, it's actually
Anime cut
They jumping
slash.
me.
Guys, we need 1 kill. Let's not
Oh, he's
sell
dead.
this. War cry!
Oh, defeat.
GG.
Dude, I was trying to clutch so hard, dude. Oh my god.
I love
It was a
Roblox
close match.
League.
Yeah, it was a
Close
good
match.
close match. We were able to counter the fact.
It's on me.
MVP Markson, good
nice.
shit, good shit, good shit. Dude,
Straight line.
I know you shot an innocent civilian the moment you looked at him
Oh,
too.
yeah, that was a really good map for Markson.
Yes. He
Well,
had good
what? I love that man.
Target a sniper.
Oh, no, Bread. Sorry, Bread.
Well,
I got breaded. What do? One.
I'm so dead, dude. Oh my god.
Oh, that is not halal.
Oh
Alright, I
my
need
god.
to
Oh
look
my,
in them.
Adrian just sat there the entire time.
Nope, no,
That is
no,
peak
Adrian.
tank
You're not being
gameplay.
halal.
okay.
That is
That's
peak
it.
tank
That's it,
gameplay.
Adrian. That's it. He asked for it. Y'all asked for
I
it.
want him.
I'm trying to.
This beef is personal.
Suck his balls. Travis, pulse charge his ass.
Maximum pulse his ass.
Got him.
Pulse.
Travis.
Oh, wait.
Guys,
I'm
I
gonna
need
go
a
ask
little help.
Jam Surf if you want to join us.
Coming.
Oh, go,
I gotta parry it. Ugh.
I'm so dead.
Travis, maximum pulse his ass.
Where am I getting
Oh,
fucking taken to?
They jumping me. They jumping me.
Adrian just hold out.
Oh no, he's gonna execute. Oh, he missed. He misses all.
Coming, guys.
Oh man.
I jumped on the conveyor belt. What do you want me to do?
Oh no, get away from it. No.
My greatest invention!
I'm getting nuclear visioned! Oh, okay.
Nothing's fear. Nature prevails!
Oh my god, heal me! Oh my god, dude, the heal though!
Healing. Start healing.
Bad one.
Oh my god, I got bombed.
Oh my god,
Healing.
get your ass over here!
I got one!
Bad three.
Get me out, yes!
He's not long.
Oh, I couldn't escape in time.
Honor and was over here.
Oh my god.
Popping all the heals.
Tired. Time to slowly.
Just have his name.
Same.
Oh no, I'm dead! Oh my god, double! Oh my god! Oh, and a triple!
And again!
Oh my god! Go!
Healing now. Healing teammates.
I countered Markson! Get his ass! Jump his ass! Jump him! Jump that motherfucker! You got a sight!
Heal.
Oh my god, he fucking
I'm
nuked!
shredding them! I got two!
I got cooked.
Oh, I'm dead. Okay, I give you guys a kill.
God. I got
Shot!
Alright, let's hold this!
Alright, now go in there.
Nah.
Oh my god, dude, there's too many! We can't push! Triple kill!
Oh my god, the team wipe!
Adrian's down, though.
I cut you in
Adrian's down
half!
main floor, but Adrian's down.
Dead. It's good.
Dude, I'm good!
Nah.
Go,
Where'd he teleport?
Jet. Nah.
Oh shit!
Now you piss me off.
What's this?
You slow.
Oh no! Ow!
Listen.
Oh my god, the point! Oh, I'm dead! Oh, I'm alive!
No, you're not. You're alive.
No, he's one. He was.
He's not.
He's not one anymore.
Oh, no, I getting nuked! No! Oh god, get me out of there! Ooh! Martin! You almost got slain!
I tried.
Jesus Christ, that was so chaotic. I love that. Let's go! Max Verstappen!
Oh, I love that healing.
Sheesh, look at that healing. Sexy healing right there. That is some sexy
Nice
healing.
organ failure, by the way. I heard that in BC. Yo
Alright,
guys,
I love you.
Hear me out. What if we target their tank?
Okay.
What the?
hear me out. What if I healed the tank?
Okay, what if we kill the fucking medic? What if we kill the medic? Hypothetically, what if I kill the medic?
Jeff the shark.
Jump that
No,
fucking
I
My
hope
video.
videos is not that big, chat. I can't see like half the map.
Thanks for bringing me to Devin, honestly. Thanks, man.
Tyler, what are you
Oh my
cooking?
god, Devin's just like inside of Adrian.
Damn.
It's a team wipe though, damn!
Team wipe. My E move is a bug. I see.
Hold on, I'm getting out of here. I'm fucking dead.
Nope, the medic's down.
Where are you, Adrian?
What is this? What am I doing?
Who's a healer? Who do I have a healer? I need a healer.
I'm fucking dead! Man, fuck this shit, I'm swapping!
Oh, I see what that does now. That's
I mean,
my counter.
Omar, you're kind of you're a jack of all trades.
No wonder why I was like, man, what does this shit do?
I don't hurt! I don't
I'm
hurt!
going like full ass.
I don't hurt! That does hurt!
Why,
I'm so damaged you.
I mean, you fucking
Let's
heal
see if I
me.
can do this. I can.
No, someone get the sniper on the sideline. What the hell?
I'm a healer! I can only...
Yeah, how do you shot
I'm
me
a
from
healer,
multiple
gets
jabs?
fucking curb stomped!
Let's see, can one of us kill... Tyler, you go first.
Okay.
I fucking hit a corpse.
throwing my weed at my opponent.
Alright, Adrian, round 2. Make it count.
I'm out of here, Tyler.
I'll try my best. Unless if I can bypass this 300 shield.
Just get him.
I am the best healer ever.
Okay, stop blazing yourself.
I'm gonna glaze you in about 2 seconds.
I beg your pardon?
He's fucking dead!
I would glaze myself like a kebab. I would glaze myself like a kebab.
Stop fucking hitting me with your damn ultimate! It's not how that works! Die!
Dude! I'm gonna kill you, Markson. I'm gonna kill you.
Oh my god, Adrian, please die! Jesus! Devin! Stop!
I'm sorry, they don't like me. They do not like me.
I do not
I
like
like
you!
throwing my weed at everyone.
Oh my god, me and Adrian are in a match just to hit each other with a fucking hammer! Dude! I'm fucking losing. I can't. I'm dead. I can't do this. So fucking stupid. We're literally fucking just punching each other with wet salami, dude. And you stuck him in the head.
Head. Oh damn, I missed.
I will blaze myself until I die.
Oh my god. Oh, the float!
Nice.
Damn it, I died. It's because of Markson, bro.
I'm dead. But I die.
Noah,
I'm gonna die, dude. I'm in the mix.
Oh my bad. Hold on. Wanna go?
You gotta pick it up right now. You can do it later.
Yeah, let's do this later.
Anyways, guess what?
What?
Tyler. I ate that shot. I'm dead as hell. Oh no, he's dead as hell. Oh no, he's good. Get him, Elmore. Get him.
Damn.
Damn it.
Where's my team, dude?
I tried to revive you, but Markson got me, dude.
I got you.
Markson got me, dude.
Oh, I need you to target Markson. You're the one that's in range. I'm losing it.
Markson, I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna
Range, and we have a support.
Mark is gonna get jumped. Mark is gonna walk into 7-Eleven. He's gonna get just ankles broken, dude.
You know what, guys? And with that, I think I'm gonna go eat.